music is love. And I know I shouldn't, but I'm going anyway. Oh, I see you standing in the shadows, looking like trouble. And tonight, I think I want trouble. Dance with the devil. Black sky hanging over the city tonight, golden street lights making everything bright. Music coming through the window down the way, and I can feel your eyes before I see your face. You lean against the wall with a dangerous smile, looking like you've been waiting for me all this while. I tell myself, girl, you better walk away, but my feet keep moving closer anyway. Your voice is low when you say my name, one little whisper and I feel the flame. You reach for my hand like you know where I'm going, and suddenly my careful heart stops knowing. I know you're trouble, I can see it in your eyes, but something about your loving makes me wanna cross the line. My heart says don't do it, my body says stay, and when you start the rhythm I forget what I should say. I wanna dance with the devil tonight, underneath the Caribbean lights. I know your loving could burn me down, but I don't wanna leave this town. Dance with the devil, hold me close and don't let go. If I'm walking into danger, baby, let the whole world know. Dance with the devil tonight, slow wine underneath the moonlight. I know you're trouble, but I don't care. When you pull me close, I'm already there. Oh, dance with the devil. Dance with the devil tonight. The bass gets deeper feel, and for one little moment everything feels real. Maybe you're a bad decision in a beautiful disguise. Maybe I'm addicted to the danger in your eyes. Maybe tomorrow I'll be asking myself why, but tonight I wanna see how high we can fly. No promises, no future written down, just two reckless hearts in a sleeping town. The music keeps talking, the stars keep watching, and every little touch keeps my heartbeat knocking. Maybe it's foolish, maybe it's fate, maybe I'm on you with the wrong time and place, but I can't fight it, I don't wanna hide it. Tonight I'm giving in. I wanna dance with the devil tonight, underneath the Caribbean lights. I know your loving could burn me down, but I don't wanna leave this town. Dance with the devil, hold me close and don't let go. If I'm walking into danger, baby, let the whole world know. Dance with the devil tonight. Slow wine underneath the moonlight. I know you're trouble, but I don't care. When you pull me close, I'm already there. Dance, you got fire underneath your skin. Every time I try to leave you, you pull me back again. Oh, dance with the devil. I'm dancing with you tonight. I know I should walk away, but every time you look at me, I forget the rules. Dangerous, dangerous loving. Oh baby, tonight I don't wanna be careful. I saw you standing underneath the street light, black sky above a city burning bright. Music was drifting from somewhere down the road. You looked at me like you already knew. I tried to keep my distance from you, told my heart there was nothing to prove, but then you smiled and called my name, and suddenly I forgot why I came. Your voice got sweeter when the night got cold. Your hands were warm and I lost control. You came closer with that look in your eyes, and I knew I was walking into paradise. I know your trouble, I know your game, but when you touch me I forget my name. My heart says run, my body says stay, and every little heartbeat pulls me your way. This is dangerous loving, but I can't let you go. You got my heart running where it don't wanna go. Dangerous loving, burning under my skin. I know I should be leaving, but I keep falling in. Oh, dangerous loving. I can't say no. Dangerous loving. Baby, you got me losing control. You put your hand gently around my waist, and every little movement felt like a taste. The bassline rolled in the room getting hot. I told myself to stop, but my heart said not. Slow wine underneath the neon light, your shadow moving perfectly with mine. Everybody dancing, but I only see you. Like the whole world disappeared from view. You whispered, baby, don't be afraid. I knew those words were a promise unmade. No future written, no guarantee, just this wild little moment between you and me. Maybe we're crazy, maybe we're wrong, but this kind of feeling doesn't last long. So let the rhythm take me, let your loving shake me. Tonight I don't wanna be strong. This is dangerous loving, but I can't let you go. You got my heart running So dangerous, your love got a hold on me. Dangerous, so delicious, baby, you're my sweetest mystery. Come closer, don't stop. Hold me, let the rhythm take control. And every little light is slowly turning down. We're walking where the night feels quiet, but the feeling between us starts a little riot. You tell me things you don't tell anyone. I laugh and say, baby, look what we've become. Two strangers caught in a midnight flame, knowing tomorrow won't feel quite the same. Maybe I'll wake up and question tonight. Maybe I wish I had put up a fight, but right now your heartbeat is close to mine, and I don't wanna waste another second of time. I know you're trouble, but you're trouble I crave. Every time I leave you, I turn around again. My heart says run, but my soul says stay. So hold me a little longer before the night fades away. This is dangerous loving, but I can't let you go. But I can't let you go. You got my heart running where it don't wanna go, where it don't wanna go. Dangerous loving, burning under my skin. I know I should be leaving, but I keep falling in. Dangerous love, hey, yeah, yeah. You're the fire in the rain. Every kiss I take from you makes me want you again. Oh, dangerous loving, I can't say no. Dangerous loving, baby, you got me losing control. Dangerous loving, love me, loving, 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 loving. You got me losing control, control, control. Don't walk away, away. Come back to me, back to me. Dangerous loving. Maybe you are the wrong one. Maybe I'm the reckless one. Maybe this is not forever, but tonight you're like home. I've been careful with my heart. I've been hiding from the flame. Then you oh, Jamaica. I came here with no expectations, just sunshine, just music, just a little escape. Then I saw you, and suddenly Jamaica got me falling. Morning sun shining over the sea, warm island breeze coming over me, barefoot walking where the palm trees sway. I thought I came here just to get away. Music floating from a little roadside bar, blue water shining like a million stars. Then you looked at me with that easy smile and made me forget my plans for a while. You said, welcome baby, take it slow. I said, I don't know where this feeling will go, but something in the rhythm, something in your eyes had me feeling like I found paradise. I wasn't looking for a lover, I wasn't searching for a sign, but you came walking said, baby, you're becoming a problem. You laughed and said, then let me be a problem. The music got deeper, the night got warm. Your loving came over me like a tropical storm. I could feel your heart beat close to mine, and I didn't want to leave that moment behind. Maybe it's the island magic, maybe it's the ocean air, maybe it's the way you hold me like nobody else could care. I came here for the sunshine, but you became my light. Now I don't wanna leave you when the morning turns to night. Jamaica got me falling, falling right into your love. Island breeze around my body, stars shining high above. Jamaica got me falling, I don't wanna touch the ground. Every little beat of your heart got me spinning round and round. Oh, Jamaica got me falling, falling for you. Jamaica got me falling. Baby, what am I supposed to do? I'm falling, Jamaica got me falling. Slow wine, hold me close, don't let go. Jamaica got me falling. Jamaica, coming closer, slow wine. That's right. I feel it, I feel you, I feel you. Jamaica got me falling. Night comes down over Kingston town. The city lights start glowing all around. You and me walking with no destination, caught somewhere between love and temptation. You tell me stories underneath the moon. I laugh when you say we'll meet again soon. I don't wanna think about leaving this place. I just wanna memorize every line on your face. Your hand in mine feels so natural, like this little island made us inevitable. Maybe I don't need to understand, maybe I just need to keep holding your hand. I wasn't planning on staying, I wasn't planning to fall, but your love came like the ocean, and washed away. Oh, now my heart is open, and I can't hide the truth. Somewhere between the palm trees, I fell in love with you. Jamaica got me falling, falling right into your love. Island breeze around my body, stars shining high above. Jamaica got me falling, I don't wanna touch the ground. Every little beat of your heart got me spinning round and round. Jamaica got me falling. Your love got me hypnotized. Every time you look at me, I see paradise. Ooh, Jamaica got me falling, falling for you. Jamaica got me falling. Baby, what am I supposed to do? Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica got me, got me, got me, got me falling. Your love, 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 slow wine, 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 wine. Hold me, hold me, hold me, don't let me go, 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 go. Jamaica got me falling. Maybe I remember this forever, the way you looked at me that night. The ocean singing in the distance, the moon above us shining bright. Maybe love is like an island, you don't know until you arrive. And sometimes the unexpected is what makes you feel alive. I don't know what tomorrow brings, I don't know what tomorrow brings. I don't know what tomorrow brings. I don't know what to really love. music floating through the warm air, and I can feel you somewhere in the darkness. Oh, Kingston after dark. Midnight falling over Kingston town. Golden lights are glowing all around. Taxi passing with the radio high. Warm breeze dancing underneath the sky. I put my little dress on just for you. A little perfume and my favorite shoes. You said, baby, meet me after 9. Now I'm wondering if your heart will match mine. Down by the corner, music in the air. I saw you leaning like you knew I'd be there. That little smile made my heart beat a race, and suddenly the whole world disappeared from this place. Don't tell me to slow down, don't tell me to go home. Tonight the city feels like the only place I know. Your eyes keep calling, my heart keeps falling, and I don't wanna fight it anymore. Kingston after dark, you got me dancing with your love. Underneath the city lights we can't get enough. Kingston after dark, your heartbeat moving with the bass. Every time you pull me closer, I get lost inside your embrace. Oh, Kingston after dark. Kingston after dark. You and me, no need to ask where we are going. The DJ drops the rhythm nice and slow. You take my hand and say, baby, let's go. Everybody's moving but I only see you. Like the whole damn room disappeared from view. Your fingers resting softly on my waist. I feel the rhythm moving through my veins. You whisper something sweet into my ear, and suddenly the night feels crystal clear. No promises beneath the moon tonight. No complicated words, just hold me tight. Let tomorrow worry about tomorrow. Tonight I'm giving you my heart to borrow. Don't tell me it's dangerous, don't tell me it's too much. There's something about your loving that I can't give up. The bass keeps rolling, my body keeps knowing this is where I wanna be. Kingston after dark, you got me dancing with your love. Underneath the city lights we can't get enough. Kingston after dark, your heartbeat moving with the bass. Every time you pull me closer, I get lost inside your embrace. Oh, Kingston after dark. Kingston after dark. You and me, no need to ask where we are going. Slow wine for me under the Kingston moon. Hold me closer, don't let go too soon. Street lights glowing, your eyes are showing everything I need to know. Kingston after dark, baby, take it slow. Gets quiet, city sounds fading, but our hearts stay riot. Moonlight shining on your handsome face. You put your arms around me and slow down the pace. We don't need a crowd, we don't need a party. Just the sound of your heartbeat calling out to me. You can stay with me until the sunrise. I look into your beautiful eyes. Maybe I'm crazy, maybe you're mine, but I'm willing to lose track of time. If this is only one night, let it be was on body. I wasn't searching for love, but you walked into my life. And maybe we're reckless, maybe we're foolish, maybe tomorrow we'll laugh at tonight. We're right here, right now, with your arms around me. Everything feels right, so kiss me underneath the street light. Hold me into the morning light. Let the record carry us away. Let the rhythm decide what we say. Kingston after dark, you got me dancing with your love. Underneath the city lights, we can't get enough. Kingston after dark, your heartbeat moving with the bass. Every time you pull me closer, I get lost inside your embrace. Kingston after dark, Kingston after dark, Kingston after dark, yeah, Kingston, Kingston, Kingston. The city don't sleep tonight. Street lights shine, music floating through the warm air, and yeah. Jamaica tonight, the moon is watching, and I don't care what tomorrow brings. One little look, one little wine, now your heartbeat is dancing with mine. Oh, reckless, reckless in Jamaica. I saw you standing by the ocean light, gold on your skin in the middle of the night. Music was playing from a little beach bar. You caught my eyes and you knew who you are. I had my plans, I had my way. Then you smiled and took them all away. You said, come closer, don't be shy. And I felt something I couldn't deny. Barefoot walking where the warm waves roll. Your hand in mine got a hold of my soul. Rum in the glass and the stars up high. You whisper, baby, don't let this night pass by. And I know this love could get me in trouble, but when you pull me closer, I don't wanna think double. The rhythm keeps calling, my body keeps falling. Tonight I'm giving it, I'm reckless in Jamaica, loving you like there's no tomorrow. Dancing underneath the moonlight, stealing kisses that I can't return. I'm reckless in Jamaica, you got me burning with desire. If loving you is dangerous, then baby, take me higher. Oh, reckless in Jamaica. Oh, I'm losing my control. Oh, reckless in Jamaica. You got a little island girl dancing with a wild heart and a lover's soul. Kingston lights shining in the distance. Your voice got me losing my resistance. You said my name like a secret prayer, then put your fingers gently through my hair. No promises, no wedding rings, just two hearts doing dangerous things. You don't belong to me, I know, but tonight, baby, don't let me go. We move slow when the bassline dropped. Every little heartbeat refused to stop. Your eyes said things your lips wouldn't say, and I let the rhythm carry me away. Maybe we're crazy, maybe we're just need you right here, with the ocean beside us and your heartbeat near. Maybe tomorrow I'll have to walk away, but tonight I'm yours and I'm not afraid. So hold me closer, let the music play. Kiss me slowly, don't waste another day. I'm reckless in Jamaica. I'm reckless in Jamaica. I saw you standing by the ocean light. I saw you standing by the ocean light. Gold on your skin in the middle of the night. Music was playing from a little beach bar. You caught my eyes and you knew who you are. I had my plans, I had my way. Then you smiled and took them all away. You said, come closer, don't be shy. And I felt something I couldn't deny. Barefoot, walking where the warm waves roll. Your hand in mine got a hold of my soul. Rum in the glass and the stars up high. You whispered, baby, don't let this night pass by. And I know, this love could get me in trouble. But when you pull me closer, I don't wanna think double. The rhythm keeps calling, my body keeps falling. Tonight I'm giving in. I'm reckless in Jamaica, loving you like yeah. Pour it slowly, let the night begin. A little rum, a little love, and a whole lot of you. Oh, tonight I don't wanna think too much. Moonlight shining on the water. Your silhouette is calling me closer. Music floating from the little bar. You walked in and changed the atmosphere. I had one drink in my hand, then you came and took my attention. Something about the way you smile got me forgetting all my good intentions. Bare feet underneath the table, your fingers touching mine. I knew I should've walked away, but your loving felt too right. The rhythm started getting slower, your shoulder leaning into me. Rum on my lips, your eyes on mine. Now there's nowhere else I'd rather be. So pour it up, baby, don't let the feeling fade. Tonight we're making memories that tomorrow can't erase. Your love got me floating, my heart don't wanna land. Give me another little taste and hold me by the hand. It's rum and your love, rum and your love. That's all I need tonight. A little bit of sweetness, a little island breeze, and you holding me so tight. It's rum and your love, rum and your love. Got me feeling so alive. If the morning comes too quickly, baby, keep me by your side. Oh, rum and your love. Rum and your love. You whispered something in my ear, I couldn't hear it over the bass. So you pulled me a little closer and I could feel your heartbeat race. The DJ changed the rhythm, everybody started moving, but I only saw your body and the way you kept me grooving. Slow wine, underneath the stars tonight. Your hands around my waist and everything feels right. No need to make a promise, no need to say forever. Just stay here in this moment and let the music hold us together. Oh, so pour it up, baby, let the sweet night roll. You got your arms around me and you're dancing with my soul. Your love got me floating higher than the moon. If this is only one night, I don't want it ending soon. It's rum and your love, rum and your love. That's all I need tonight. A little bit of sweet closer still. You know you give me chills. Rum on my lips, love in my eyes, your arms around me under Caribbean skies. Now the night is getting deeper, but I don't feel tired at all. Every time you pull me closer, I forget about the world outside these walls. Maybe I'm a little foolish, maybe you're a little dangerous, but when you look into my eyes, nothing else feels important to us. The ocean keeps on breathing, the stars are dancing overhead, and every little word you say keeps running circles through my head. I don't know where this is going, I don't need to know tonight. Just keep your heart beside me till the morning brings the light. So pour it up, baby, let me taste that island night. Your loving is the fire and your touch is my delight. Don't tell me it's too crazy, don't tell me it's too much. Tonight I want your heartbeat, tonight I want your touch. It's rum and your love, rum and your love. That's all I need tonight. A little bit of sweetness, a little island breeze, and you hold me so tight. It's rum and your love, rum and your love. Got me feeling so alive. If the morning comes too quickly, baby, keep me by your side. It's rum and your love, got me dancing through the night. Your love is like the ocean and I'm caught up in the tide. Oh, rum and your love, your love, your love, come closer, girl. Your love, come closer, come closer. Don't go, I'm right here with you under the moon in Jamaica. Maybe I came here for the party, maybe I stayed here for the view. But somewhere underneath the moonlight, I found myself falling for you. I wasn't looking for forever, I wasn't searching for a sign, but when your hand reached out for mine, something changed inside my mind. So if this not the beginning, be my end. Then you came and took my attention. Something about the way you smile got me forgetting all my good intentions. Bare feet underneath the table, your fingers touching mine.